Welcome to the Cosdef Arts and Crafts Center. Today, Mr. Afas Mbura, our leather craft and design trainer, will teach you how to do a leather workshop. Enjoy!
Okay, hi everyone. My name is Afas Mbura from Cosdef Arts and Crafts Center. Welcome to Namibia Heritage Week 2021. Today I would like to show you how to make earrings and simply something that you can do it in a few minutes, 5 minutes, and you just need the following. So far that is all what you need to make the earring. Now we will move to the side of making it. I'm going to show you the step-by-step demonstrations. I will take the oval ones and those size ones, and I'm cutting two of the shapes because they are not the same size and I want to make it look a bit funky. So I will cut that one, bigger one, and I'll also cut that one. And to make my design to look a bit nicer, I will also put a star on it. So on that one, that is it. Now after I cut this paper out, I will choose my nice color of leather that I'm having and my fabric here, and I will choose which material that fit which ones here. So if I put this material here like this, I would love to have this one fabric plus that one and a bit of maybe a black one also to that one. I think those ones will fit us better, and this is what we are going to do. You need a silver pen, especially when you are marking onto leather, because you don't want to mark with a permanent ink onto leather, otherwise it will stay there forever. But the silver pen, it always goes off. Once you mark it off, you can erase it off. In this one, if you see that your material cannot take the silver pen, you can't see, you can also turn your material on the other side where you can be able to see the pen. Making the earrings, so you need to make always, when you are cutting from your material, you must make two pieces. So now I'm having the first stars and I must cut another. I must also trace the second one because you have two ears, remember? Okay, so we took our knife. First of all, make sure that your blade is very sharp to cut the leather, because if the blade is not sharp, you have to force to cut, and then that's where many people end up injuring themselves. Like this. I have the fabric in between and this, and then I will get my hooks. So the ring is to join the material with the hooks. So that's it. To punch the holes, just make a hole 5 mm far from the line. You don't need to go more deeper, otherwise your hooks will not fit in. So now we will do assembling step by step. First of all, I'll take the ring and my round plier. The reason why we use round plier is because it's nice and doesn't damage your ring, and it's easy to open up the rings when you're using the round plier. So simply you just close your plier like that, and you put the ring into the plier and just hold the ring, and as you are opening the plier, you're also opening the ring. And then I'll start to put my first is the base, that one, then followed by material, the second one, I put it on there, okay, and then I'll put the last one. Once all this is done, I'm holding this nice in place, and I will use my flat nose plier to close the ring. So I just hold the ring nice closer to the material so that it cannot move around, and I will close that slowly. This one is done.